So hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna do this question. This question is a very easy question, and let's not waste our time by doing it by longer process in decimals. Okay, a quadratic function f has a vertex at 1 comma 6. Okay, let's assume this 1 comma 6. Okay, so yeah, and okay, and passes through a point 2 comma uh, 40. Okay, fine, 2 comma 40. So let's make this like this. And if gx is fx plus 7, what is the minimum value of gx? Okay, I want to first of all clear the concept of minimum and maximum. This is wherever a question asks minimum or maximum value of a quadratic function or a parabola, it's referring to the vertex. Okay, so it's like if it is downward, then it will be maximum value vertex. This vertex will be maximum value, and where it is upward, then it is minimum value. So a minimum value and maximum value is nothing but vertex. Okay, and uh, if you got only a gx, so then it is y value. And if you are asked then what is the value of x when the function is minimum, then it is referring to the value of x or h, right? Because the function is denoted by h comma k. So the question is fx plus 7. So I will teach you another concept here, that fx plus 7 is like x is like minus 7, right? Then so x is minus 7 is nothing but that the function is shift left 7 units, right? If this is the parabola, okay, this is the graph, let's assume this is the graph, then the function will shift 7 units left, 7 units left. Okay, it shifts 7 unit left. So but it will be nothing in the change in the value of uh, y, because it hasn't shifted up or down, so it is only left or right. So it will be no change in the value of minimum gx or minimum fx, both are equal. Okay, so this should be c. And uh, and let me teach you another main concept here, guys. And when they say it is shifted by either right to the 2 units or left to the 5 units, or the function is shifted up by 5 units or down by 5 units, so you have to memorize a formula, that is x plus minus value a, and y plus minus b. Okay, and a is like the value will be changed here if the function has gone left or right or left. Okay, if the function has gone, okay, let me teach you in a better way. Okay, if a function, okay, in a function x or y value, right, if it is like gone right by 3 units, then it will be plus 3 in the value of x, and it is up by 3 units then plus in the value of y, then it similarly minus 2 left and minus 2 down, right? And if we take this left hand side, this also left hand side, then it will be x plus minus, or I would say minus plus, because it will change the value. Okay, x minus plus 3 and y minus plus 3. Okay, so here it is plus 7, so x plus 7. So when you put it into right hand side to the equal to, then it will be x is minus 7, so it has gone 7 units to the left. Okay, and if the question was x minus 2 like f, then it would be x is plus 2, and I would say it has gone 2 units to the right. If it is here, then 2 units to the right, and if here is minus, then it is to the left. Okay, and the similar process is for y also. And like if there is y to the mm, uh, up by 2 units, then it will be y minus 2 instead of y. And if it has gone down by 2 units, then it will be x y plus 2 uh, instead of y. Okay, and why we say uh, plus or minus instead of minus or plus, like why you change the value, uh, because it is equal to, right? And it will go here and it will be plus 2, it will go here, it will be minus 2, right? So yeah, that's all.